let's do it. I got a sword. What do we explore over here? And let's try it. Oh, cow! I see cow. Hey, milkweed. Do you wanna eat my hand? Eat my hand. My hand is low. Hey, get back in here, cow. What? Everything's made of clouds. I found the food. Okay, and where is a pig? Oh, I fall off. And where's the pig? Hey, I found the pig. Whoa, I'm so fast. Get back here, piggy. Piggy, come here. You wanna eat this? Hey, eat it. Hey, eat it. What? Everything's made of clouds. I guess pigs don't eat meat. Whoa, I almost fell in that. Okay, what do we do with this? I'm really scared because there's a skeleton. I really take down over these, but I really take in the peaceful mode. Now it's peaceful, I won't be died anymore. I got leather, but I don't eat it. Hey, a chicken! Get back, you chicken! Bam! What? I died. I killed him in one hit. I'm gonna chop this tree. Let's try it. Whoa! It mines faster. Oh, it never fall. Do it me annoying orange. Oops. Time for look for stone. Let me see up my difficulty level. Suppose peaceful. Okay, let me see. There's another chicken, but did he respawn? I'm stuck another head. Hey, I wanna stop you. Stop. Whoop. Oh no, I hear a dog. Whoop. Not again. Oh, it drops some cobbled rock. But this one is also. I need to craft in wooden planks. Only craft and play. Open your inventory and play and press the crafting table button made of wood. Now I got 44 now. The crafting table. Now I got. Whoa! I can reach it. Okay, time to make a stone pickaxe. Now I can make into stone pickaxe. Oh, I have an iron axe, but it's so. But wait. This stone pickaxe weird, but they don't enchant. Oh yeah, we need to get more pigs. I wanna feed another pig. Ouch, that hurts. Even the water and even the clouds. Whoa. Oh, I can't see. You wanna eat it? Eat it. Wanna eat? Hey, I can't see. I cannot see anything. Whoa, no, I will fail you. Oops, they don't fail, they ignoring the hole. What? Everything's made of clouds. Oh, he died. I'll kill him with the iron sword. Those things are sharp. Bye-bye. What? Bam. It don't need knockbacking. Bam. It takes in 2 hits. I won't be angry. Bam. Whoa. It sets from far away. But they're flying a little bit. So we're gonna survive it. What? Is that meaning that they look like a railway? More sheep. Need more wool to make beds. But I can't craft. Whoa! It sets animals far away and sets the monsters from. Hey, bam! I need more sheep. Okay, we're going using. Oh, we're going to day 2. In day 2, I have beds now. But it's a forest surface. I'm really close. Oops! Okay, now we have a bed. And what do we hear? We survive in this world, but how to survive? Unbeatable. I'm look like a hero. Whoa! I sped so fast when I look the picture. Let's do a picture. Take a peek. Oh, abandoned mission.